Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Mayor. We are going to speak some truth. You have to try to help yourself before you can help people, Because people is a thing where we draw you down in a hole. I tell you. And it go for everybody. Yes. So what Mr. Mayor plan to do this year, I plan to help myself this year. It's not to say I got to stop give, but I cannot give like how I used to give because I had to put certain things in place for myself and my family. You understand? Because I get old now, Yeah, because now people think to me, a young boy. Me am a young boy. Me a old man. You see a grey hair upon my face and then, you know so me born. I age. Make me all a grey up. Yes, we might look young and big, yes, but I just God blessing upon me. I want people to call me this year where I give me things. And if you can't give me some things, me will take it. I want to set up myself that me in a strong position like 2025. So when a man call upon me, me can give them something tangible. Yes, so even if me not get nothing this year, whatever little me I work and so I want to put it together and set up myself in a better position that I can give next year. So I don't mind even the government not take no tax on me this year. Yes, man, if Mr. Joe Biden give me a break for 1 year, me can catch up and set up myself. And then next year now, me can pay him back good. You understand? Because you have to build up, In everything you do business and stuff like that. If you not build up, you can't just give every day. You understand? That means your bucket now be able not even feel half, much less full. You understand? So we want some people understand, say, Mr. Mayor have to build up before me can just give every day like that. You understand? Because I remember say I 40 years now, Mr. Mayor again, You understand? Yeah, and people not really give me nothing much. You understand? Yes, man, we tell you, yes, God bless you and thank you. Yes, me understand that and God bless me. You understand? So Mr. Mayor want to fix in business, then we can give as more than I want to give. Some people understand that and me not beg for nobody but that I truth. So this at 2024 is for me hear this, for me set up myself. Because I not rely upon nobody if you set me up. You have to set up yourself. You have to have a mind of setting yourself up. You understand? Because I two things in life, Either you set up yourself to continue or you set up yourself to be a failure in this world. You understand? Yeah, man, we get enough, man. Me and my wife alone feed over 3,000 people for December, Christmas Ghana. And we please at what we do. Yeah, man, we please at what we do and things like that, man. But this year, 2024, we are going to set up ourselves good that we can give next year. So if you call him phone and can give me something, maybe take it, man. No problem, man. You understand? Maybe take something. Yes, man. Maybe take something this year. Yeah, man. So God bless you, and maybe sooner. Yeah, man. Sooner this year or next year. You understand? And if me no sooner or no see me and want to give me something to help me in my business that me can get stronger in the giving for 2025. God bless you, man. All right, Mr. Mayor is out. See you.